we're here at the old playing field testing out our lanterns. We want to admonish all of you to come on out on the 31st of March to Black Sam Bangalang official opening. And we're having the sky lanterns. So members of the community, you have the opportunity to come and make your wish for Sandy Point.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Summer's niceness everywhere. Hey. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na na. Summer say, think of all the possibilities. I know you wanna live in tranquility, so let's make a note to replace the doubt and move closer to His sweet divinity. Cause cleanliness next to godliness, so your stubbornness you got to let go. And let's purify the world, going out to every boy and girl. For sure you gotta see the big picture, cause all this pollution we only get sicker. I see them fighting wars with nuclear ammunition, when saving our world should be the only mission. Plus mama tell me, boy, don't litter, cause now you only killing off yourself much quicker. Now you know me never go up to be no quitter, so I ain't giving up on my world, not this year. Come and say, we gotta do this, cause we're the only ones living foolish. So let's save the world today. I say let's save the world today. Sing again. We gotta do this, cause we're the only ones living foolish. So let's save the world today. Eske, let's save the world today. Some say, look at the birds and the bees, soaring in the wind, so free as can be, yeah. Look at the grass and the trees, moving to the beat of the gentle breeze, yeah. Why can't we be this way? Preserve our lives, be as pure as Christ, yeah. Because the world is crying, help stop the world from dying.
Who we could depend on, how we could decide to live amongst ourselves with pollution in our eyes. If you do the right thing, someone criticize, but when you do the wrong thing, your name a vandalize. I stand for every action that is right. Wish you could have seen the world through my own eyes. This world is a gift to all ages and size. This tell them again.
Happy we got to do this, cause we're the only ones living foolish. So let's save the world today. Oh yeah, let's save the world today. We gotta do this, cause we're the only ones living foolish. So let's save the world today. SK, let's save the world today. People say na 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 na. No, hear my children say na 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 na.